gotta start frying it. So you wanna just get like a average scoop, not too small, not too big. Then just dump that into the oil. One by one.
Ooh, careful. It's starting to flow. Now I'm gonna use the...
So you want to give it, after you pour it into the oil, you want to give it about 2 minutes. 2 minutes, a minute to 2. Just to have it to a golden color, and then it should be done.
There you go.
Thank you. So
look at how yummy that looks. About
like
2-3 minutes ago?
No, just like a minute
That
to
was
2
longer
minutes.
than a minute.
To 2 minutes. You just want to have it golden brown. You don't want to darken it up too much. There's our first batch. Then I just use this strainer, spoon, whatever, to just take out whatever
You want to drain
comes.
out the excess batter because it'll burn your oil, right?
Wow, you knew that?
Yes.
Man, where have you been all this time? I've been in the kitchen.
Okay, let's look at our...
While you're looking at that, I'm going to start up a new batch. I'm just throwing some more in. It's about, you don't want to overflow it.
Can you see it?
This one, it to just, and it's ready to be taken out of the. Would you like to do the honors?
You got it.
Are you sure?
I believe in you.
No, I insist.
Go ahead. Do it.
No, I insist, man. You haven't been doing anything this whole video. Please.
Oh wait, you